want to use this paper to urge stakeholders, especially the government, to take a more proactive approach towards food safety. We need regulatory agencies to not just stop at licensing slaughterhouses, for example, or milk cooling plants. We need them to go out there and do post-market surveillance, pick items from the supermarket shelves, ensure that the products that are retailing and that are being sold in our restaurants actually meet the national and international standards.
Well, animal health, public health, and food safety are highly interconnected. And whatever happens to animals, and we as humans consuming animals, that translates to zoonotic and foodborne diseases if we don't ensure food safety.